Welcome to Every Dull Moment. This is a really quick kind of an unboxing for you. We've had it in the house for a while. You might have actually seen it during one of our Petty Set Go videos. Been waiting to use it actually, and we're about to do the 21 knives of 2021. So definitely we needed to spotlight this knife. So this is a Kobayashi. Kobayashi is like a new young blacksmith. It's been a sharpener for a long time for a lot of other blacksmiths. You know, and Kobayashi from Seki City has decided that he's just going to make his own knives, and he is specializing in SG2 and Damascus SG2. So you either see like a Megaki finish or the Damascus, but as we open this box, what you're also going to see is this distinctively unique and signature red lacquer handle. So this knife has never been used. I'm excited to see. Supposedly this is a laser. So we will go ahead and show you this red lacquer, just kind of indicative to this company. I had gotten another knife out to kind of show you that this handle, this is another petty knife, the same exact size, just to show you that the handle is just a little bit bigger than the average.
Yeah, just a bit.
I think that, you know, you have your preference. I'm not sure if I'm hooked on the size of the bigger handle, but to each their own.
Okay. All right.
All right. So this is that Megaki semi, like it's that satin finish. Mm-hmm. Just the kanji and just the cord line. You've got that hairline in design in there. Mm-hmm. So the SG2 steel, the Super Gold 2, is that, you know, Takafu Village. You can see how thin this is. I mean, it just, how do you not notice it? The handle is so distinctively big, and then it just gets so thin in the taper.
I kind of like it with the size of the blade itself.
So we'll let the wife use this when she's coring some strawberries and things.
Oh, no, I'm not coring strawberries with those.
Okay.
It's a little big for that.
Definitely a nice box that came in. So this is supposed to be a laser. Let's find out. So right off the bat, we have our trusty tool, but not the standard. Okay, this has been out of the box a couple times. It could have been damaged by me for all I know. We're going to put a light on.
That's a laser.
That's a laser, folks.
Right out of the box.
Right out of the box. Let's do another one. That is sub 100. Wow.
Yep, still sub 100.
Still sub 100.
Okay.
So what have we learned? This should be fun. We have learned that the Kobayashi, the sharpener that he is, brought his skills into this. He, we recognize how quiet. My wife said it's a sweet sound. The catch is ridiculous. I can't imagine owning a chef knife. It makes me wanna. I mean, it's falling. Okay, my fingers are barely holding paper towel.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I'm just gonna barely hold it.
That's nice.
The legend is true. Kobayashi, a laser. It's beautiful. The Megaki finish. It's simple. It's clean. Signature lady in red handle. Love it or not, the handle, it comes with it. The performance outweighs everything. Ridiculous. Reach out and get yourself one. I'm amazed. It takes a lot. This was definitely not a dull moment. Thanks for checking in. We'll see you next week. God bless.